Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna create a beautiful 6x6 color palette table using HTML and CSS. And trust me, it's gonna look super clean and colorful. So let's get started. Here's the question. Create a centered 6x6 color palette table with a merged heading row titled color palette and 60 px cells, a light blue background, different colors in each cell, and include an image with alt text. Let's save our Notepad++ with the .html extension. First, let's begin with the basic HTML structure, that is HTML, head and body. Inside the head section, we will give our title as color palette. Then, include CSS styling using the style tag. First, we set the background color of the page to light blue and align everything to the center so it looks clean. Next, we style the table by placing it at the center using Margin Auto, which helps center the table horizontally on the page, and then collapsing the borders to remove extra space between cells for a cleaner look. Next, we ensure that each cell is uniformly sized at 60 px in both height and width, with the borders added to clearly distinguish between them. Now, inside the body, we add a main heading, color palette. Then, we create our table. In the first row, we merge all 6 columns using ColSpan, which is used to combine multiple columns into one cell to create a table heading. After that, we start filling the table with rows and columns, giving each box a different background color to form a vibrant palette. After doing one set of row, this is the output we have got. We have to continue to achieve 6x6, that is 6 columns and 6 rows, and we have to change the colors. Now, to make it even more interesting, we will insert an image into one of the cells. To do that, you'll go to your folder, then you'll take the image that you want to use. And then you'll right click on that image and then you'll go to copy as path. You have to write img src and then paste the path of the image. We will also give the alt text and width and height for this image. Since for 3 rows we want this image, that's why we have given ColSpan as 3. Now I'm gonna finish it off with some more colors. And that's it. Our colorful palette table is ready and looks amazing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.